Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use Visual Code Studio effectively. Okay, so the first step I want to do is, so you want to go to the file where your website is. So in this case it's on my desktop, just find it where it is. So you want to double click, and you want to hold Windows and the left key. Well, I'm going to switch to video just to see how it looks. So and that gets it on the side, and you want to go back to the file and you want to right click it, and then it's going to say open with, and you want to click on that and you say Visual Code Studio, and it automatically goes to the right. But I'm going to show you how you can do it if it doesn't. So I'm going to switch to another video. And there it is, and I'm gonna make this one smaller. So all this does is it has Visual Code Studio on the right and it has your website on the left. So when it's like this, you can sort of look at the code that's running and you can look at the website. Okay, so let's move on to the second tip. So if you're coding late at night and it seems as if your screen is too bright, well, you can just go change the theme and color of your Visual Code Studio layout. So all you want to do is you want to head over to settings called manage, and you want to go by themes. Here is, you can choose over a variety of themes such as color, file icon, and product icon theme. I'm just going to do color theme, and let's see what we can do. So if you're coding late at night, as I said earlier, you can choose one that's sort of going to help you. So let's just do the dark modern, and then it changes to the default one. This is the color you get when you just install Visual Code Studio. So let's change it to another one. Let's go by color theme again, and let's choose, maybe let's choose a bus. Oh, a bus looks nice. So this can help you when you're coding late at night. So let's go by the third one. So let's just say you're busy typing. I'm going to do it to the right again. I'm going to open up the website that I was building, and let's just say you're busy, you want to add maybe another paragraph or another heading. It does not matter. So all you want to do is you want to make use of the autofill function. So you want to just say you want to add this, and then you want to add two. You can just press tab, and then it's going to automatically fill the rest. So you can see that, let's just say you want to add paragraph 1. It just autofill, so you can make use of this feature. Paragraph. You can sort of make use of this feature. Control S, and you can see this is on the first one of my website. Let's just see what's going to work. This is on the first. Control S, Windows right, and there we see the paragraph 1 is there. Well, this is just a small tip because it is useful when when you're doing big projects, when you're adding big things to it, big text, long text. So that's another tip. So the fourth tip would be, you should navigate over here. There should be a help option, or in this case it's a search option. You can use this, or here's the help option. So you can say show all commands, documentation, edit the playground, the keyboard shortcut reference, video tutorials, tips and tricks, so forth and so forth. So if you're a beginner coder and you struggling a bit, you can use this section. All you do is go here by 3 dots in the top right, and go by help, and you can see that to help you. And the fifth tip would then be, you should go on the website. In the description below I'll leave a link to the website. All you want to do is you want to go to your web browser and you want to search Visual Code Studio, and I'll leave the link of the website in the description below. So all you want to do is Visual Code Studio, and then you want to say tutorial, and here they have the YouTube and they have the website. So I'll leave this link down in the description below. And here this helps is You can do everything here. This is if you want to get some code, if you want to get some lines. So thank you so much.